Right, so sometimes the volume doesn't seem to come out from the TV screen or monitor if your monitor has speakers. For example, let's see if I click here and toggle the sound is actually coming from the laptop, very soft. So what you want to do in this case, you right click on the volume icon, click on playback devices, and then select the uh, monitor and choose the default. You can also right click here and select the default device. Okay, and it should now work as intended. The volume will now play from the screen. Voila.